Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Concepts of Commerce. My name is Deepshika Gandhi and the topic for today's video is circular flow of income in a two-sector economy, or we can also say it as circular flow of national income in a two-sector economy. So the two sectors that we are dealing with here is households and business sector. That means we are dealing with a closed economy or a simple economy here, wherein there is no foreign sector and no government intervention. So in the video, I'm going to include the assumptions on which circular flow of a two-sector economy rests, diagrammatic representation of the same, and explanation how money flows between the two sectors that we are dealing with here. So first of all, let's understand the sectors first. Now, what are households? Households are simply consumer of goods and services that is produced by business sector, and they are the owners of factors of production. We all know the factors of production are land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. Now coming to firms. Firms are producers of goods and services that is consumed by household sector, and they are users of the factors of production that is provided by households. That means they consume the factors of production provided by households, and on the other hand, households consume goods and services produced by business sector. Now, why do we call this flow as a circular flow? The simple answer is because the flow is unending or a continuous process. That is why we call this flow as a circular flow, because the money keeps on revolving here between household and business sector, and the process we can say is continuous or unending. That is why we call this flow as a circular flow of income in the economy. So having discussed about these sectors, what do we understand by households and firms? Now let's proceed to the assumptions of circular flow of income in a two-sector economy. Thereafter, we will proceed with the diagrammatic representation of circular flow in a two-sector economy, wherein I'll be showing not only the money flow, but real flow in the economy as well. First assumption is that the economy is a closed one that we just discussed. That means we are dealing with a closed economy here, which does not involve foreign sector. यहाँ पर foreign sector के साथ कुछ भी import export नहीं होता है. हम लोग dealing नहीं करते हैं foreign sector के साथ. So we call this as a closed economy. Second assumption is firms will sell everything that they are producing. They are not going to keep any closing stock with them. That means everything they are producing, they are selling it to the household sector. Thirdly, firms will make factor payments. That means they will pay for the factors of production that they are using or they are taking from the household sector. For land, they will pay rent. For labor, they will pay wages. For entrepreneurship, they will pay profit. And for capital, they will pay interest. Fourth assumption is households do not save any part of their income. Whatever income they are having, they are going to spend it in the market itself. So, no savings for the household sector, like we did not have any closing stock for the business sector.
So starting with graphical representation, first of all, we need to have two sectors, namely household and business sector. Now, households are providing factors of production to the business sector. They are land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. In return of factor services, business sector will pay factor payments to the household sector. For land, it will pay rent. For labor, it will pay wages. For capital, it will pay interest. And for entrepreneur, it will pay profit. In the next step, firms are providing goods and services to the household sector. In return, household sector will provide payment for goods and services purchased from business sector. So this is how a complete model of circular flow of income in a two-sector economy should look like. In the inner circle or inner loop, I'm taking the real flow, that means factor services and goods and services. In the outer loop or the outer circle, I'm taking money flow, wherein the factor payments are being made and payment for goods and services is being made.
So as we have seen in the diagrammatic representation, circular flow of income in a two-sector economy clearly explains us how money or how income is is flowing between the two sectors, that is household and business sector. Households are providing factor of payments to business firms. In return, they are getting factor payments in form of wages, profit, interest, and rent. Then this income is used by household sector to purchase goods and services produced by business sector. So this way money keeps on flowing between these two sectors, and this will be an unending process since neither firms are having any closing stock nor households are keeping any part of their income as savings. Take an example, households receive 1 lakh rupees as factor payments from business firms. Now they will use this 1 lakh rupees to purchase goods and services produced by business sector. As a result, business sector are having 1 lakh rupees as income that they have got from the household sector. Now they are able to produce goods and services worth rupees 1 lakh itself. So that is why it is known as a continuous process, because same amount of money will keep on revolving between household and business sector, since neither business sector is going to have any closing stock nor households are going to keep any part of their income as saving. That is why this flow or this model has been named as circular flow of income, because the process is going to be unending, or we can say continuous. That was all for today. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please like, comment and share. Do subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned in for the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day.